So next month, chapter 2 comes out. And I just wanted to do something for the big event. So I decided to go back and do something kind of in tribute to the original It movies. There's a little dinner party that goes on, and at the end of the dinner party, they have a little tray of fortune cookies. The fortune cookies end up, being scary. And one of the fortune cookies I really liked. It was the little, kind of looked like tarantula fangs almost, like really big, coming out of the fortune cookie. And I was like, I'm gonna make that. So I made it. And it was crazy. And I can't believe I pulled it off. And I think it came out pretty good. And I'm gonna show you how I made it. So I made the fortune cookie dough. I guess you would call it a dough? A batter. Yeah, it was more like a batter. Really simple ingredients. Pretty much followed a recipe that I found online. As you'll see when I'm making the fortune cookie, it went perfectly. I got just the perfect fortune cookie the first go. Not hard at all. There were no mess ups. It was just a real quick process, real quick. Yeah, but I did finally get a few that I liked, probably about 3. I've finally decided on one of them, which I ended up using. Then it was time for the process of making the little pinchers, the little fangs or whatever, the little claws. So I made modeling chocolate. From what I read online and I watched a video, and it seemed pretty straightforward. There seemed like it could go wrong, but I was hoping it wouldn't. Thankfully, it went okay. I started to use it to sculpt the fangs, which, is a little tricky, especially because the modeling chocolate, with the warmth of your hands, it gets, it doesn't really want to hold its shape. So you have to kind of try to mold it fast and then let it sit to kind of harden a little bit. And then you can kind of move forward with shapes and stuff. And then after I got my fangs, I kind of placed them where I wanted them to intersect. Then I was gonna paint them to look more realistic. And I got some black and red petal dust. So I read that petal dust is recommended for painting modeling chocolate. Most people just use it dry, kind of dry brush it on there, which I started to do, and then some of the petal dust just started getting everywhere and it was really messy. So I remember seeing that if you mix some vegetable oil with it, you could use it more as a paint. And then I was able to paint it on, and I was happy with the results. I think I got the results I wanted to. Yeah, I'm really excited. I think it came out really cool. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this whole process. I noticed that I'm making a lot of things to do with cookies on here, which is just coincidence, although I do love cookies. Are you excited to see It Chapter 2 when it comes out next month? Let me know in the comments below so I can hear your opinion. Until next time. Bye-bye.